x square square. Now you take x square is equal to 1. Okay. Take x raised to 4 x square x plus 1. Okay. Or let me do one more method. This I can write x raised to 4. Yes. So let me split the middle term. Middle term is split. X square we write x raised to 4. X square we write 2x square plus 1 minus x square. So 2x square minus x square will give you x square. So middle term I have split, that is 2x square minus x square. So let us write x raised to 4 x square plus 2 into x square into 1 plus 1 I can write 1 square minus x square. Now what is the first three term? First three term is a square plus 2ab. Yes, a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square. So x square plus 1 whole square minus x square. Now again this is of the type a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Okay. So this will be x square plus 1 plus x square plus 1 plus x. This x square I can write x square. So plus x into x square plus 1 minus x, and this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Then 22nd, factorize a square plus b square minus 4c square. 22nd, a square plus b square plus minus 4c square, a square plus b square minus 4c square again square, a square plus b square minus 4c square whole square minus 4a square b square minus 4a square b square. Okay, so what you can write this you can write a square plus b square minus 4c square 4a square b square you can write 2ab whole square. This you can write 2ab whole square. Okay, so what is this now? This is my x and this is my y. So x square minus y square. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. So this will be a square plus b square minus 4c square. A square plus b square minus 4c square plus 2ab first. Then a square plus b square minus 4c square minus 2ab. So this is my x plus y into x minus y. So let us rearrange the term. A square plus 2ab plus b square minus 4c square, a square minus 2ab plus b square minus 4c square. Now a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. This I can write a plus b whole square minus 4c square I can write 2c whole square. Yes. And then a square minus 2ab minus b square I can write a minus b whole square. Then 4c square I can write 2c whole square. So in each one of them you apply x square minus y square, x square minus y square. So that will be x plus y into x minus y. That will be x plus y into x minus y. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. So using that we simplify. So this will be a plus b plus 2c into a plus b minus 2c into a minus b plus 2c into a minus b minus 2c, and this is the final answer. Product of 4 factors. So this is product of 4 factors, that means it is a factorization. Then 23rd x square plus 4y square, x square plus 4y square minus 9z square square minus 16x square y square, 16x square y square, 16x square y square. Okay. Should I give, this is same as earlier one. Okay. So let me give this homework 23rd. Now 24th, a plus b whole square minus a square plus b square minus a square plus b square. Yes, what you can write this? This I can write a plus b whole square, then I can take minus common, then it is a square minus b square. So this is a plus b whole square, a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Now a plus b is common, a plus b is common, a plus b is common. So I will take a plus b common, then what is left? It is a plus b minus a minus b. So this is a plus b into a plus b minus a plus b minus a plus b. So a get cancelled. A get cancelled. So that is a plus b into 2b. B plus b is 2b. So a plus b into 2b. A plus b into 2b. A plus b into 2b. That is the answer. Okay. So that is a plus b into 2b. A plus b into 2b is the answer. Now there is one more way. There is one more way to solve this. A plus b whole square minus a square plus b square. You can use the formula a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square minus a square plus b square. A square get cancelled. What is left? B square plus b square, that is 2ab plus 2b square. Then what is common? 2b is common. Then what is left? A plus b. This is the answer. So in this both the method are applicable because a square get cancelled. Then 25th, a square minus b square. 25th is 25th, a square minus b square, a square minus b square minus a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. Okay, this I am giving homework, same way. Then 26th, 9a square minus 4 whole square. 26th. So 25th is homework. Same way you will solve this 25th. Now 26th. 9a square. 9a square minus a square minus 4 whole square. A square minus 4 whole square. 9a square I can write 3a whole square minus a square minus 4 whole square. So you can consider this as x, 3a as x, a square minus 4 as y, x square minus y square. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. So this will be 3a plus a square minus 4 into 3a minus a square minus 4. So let us solve this. This I can write a square plus 3a minus 4, and this I can write minus a square plus 3a plus 4 plus 4. So now both are quadratic. Find two number whose sum is 3 and multiplication is minus 4. Multiplication is minus 4. In this, find two number whose sum is 3 and multiplication is minus 4. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4. Okay. Sum is 3, multiplication is minus 4. What is the answer? 26. Yes. What you can factorize is? So that will be 3a minus a square minus 4. Solve this further. So 3a plus a square minus 4. 3a plus a square minus 4. Okay. 3a plus a square minus 4 into 3a minus a square plus 4. 3a minus a square plus 4. So find two numbers. Yes, how will solve this? Whose sum is 3, multiplication is minus 4 and minus 1. 4 and minus 1. 4 and minus 1. 4 and minus 1. Correct? Let's see whether 3a minus a square minus 4. So a square plus 3a minus minus plus 4. Minus a square plus 3a plus 4. A square minus 3a minus 4. Okay. We can do one thing, see. We can do one thing. See this. In second one I can take minus. In second one I can take minus common. Minus outside. So this becomes a square plus 3a minus 4. A square plus 3a minus 4. And this will be minus 1 into a square minus 3a minus 4. A square minus 3a minus 4. Okay. So this will be minus 1 into a square plus 3a minus 4 into a square minus 3a minus 4. Now find two number whose sum is 3, multiplication is minus 4. Find two number whose sum is minus 3, multiplication is minus 4. So 4 and minus 1. 4 and minus 1. Okay, 4 and minus 1. So this I will write minus 1 into a square. You want sum 3a. So you will write plus 4. Plus 4 and minus 1. So a square plus 4a minus a minus 4. And second one, you want sum minus 3. You want sum minus 3. Product minus 4. So a square minus 4a. Minus 4a plus a. Minus 4. So this is minus 1 into a is common a plus 4. Minus common a plus 4. Second bracket a common a minus 4 plus 1 into a minus 4. Okay. So it is minus 1 into a plus 4 is common. Then it is a minus 1. Then it is a minus 4 is common. Then it is a plus 1. Okay. And this is the factorization. Minus sign you can take inside, no problem. This I can write a plus 4 minus sign you can multiply with this. So this will be 1 minus a into a minus 4 into a plus 1. Okay, this is the answer. Minus sign I have taken with this. Minus 1 I have multiplied to a minus 1. I will get 1 minus a. Okay. So a plus 4 into 4 minus a, 1 minus a, then 27 x square plus 1 upon x square minus 11, x square plus 1 upon x square minus 11. So this I can write x square plus 1 upon x square minus 11, I can write minus 2 minus 9. Minus 2 minus 9, when you will add, you will get minus 11. Minus 2 minus 9, when you will add, you will get minus 11. Now minus 2, I will take that as the middle term of x square and 1 upon x square. Minus 2 I can take as the middle term of x square and 1 upon x square. Minus 2 we can take as the middle term. So this will be x square minus 2, x square minus 2 plus 1 upon x square minus 9. This I can write x minus 1 upon x whole square. Minus 3 whole square. So again a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So x minus 1 upon x plus 3 into x minus 1 upon x minus 3. This is the answer. This is the required factorization. Then 28. 4x square plus 1 upon 4x square, 4x square plus 1 upon 4x square plus 1. Okay, plus 1. This I can write 4x square plus 1 upon 4x square, then 1 I will write 2 minus 1. Then this 2 I will take it, 4x square plus 2 plus 1 upon 4x square minus 1. 4x square plus 2 plus 1 upon 4x square I can write. Yes. So before that let me write one more step. So 4x square I will write 2x whole square, 2x whole square plus 2 I can write 2 into 2x into 1 upon 2x. 1 upon 4x square I will write 1 upon 2x whole square. 1 I will write 1 square. Okay. So a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square. So 2x plus 1 upon 2x whole square minus 1 square. Now this is of the form a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So 2x plus 1 upon 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 upon 2x minus 1. And this is the answer. Then 29, 4x raised to 4 minus x square minus 12x minus 36. 4x raised to 4 minus x square minus 12x minus 36. Okay. So let us do the grouping. This is already square. So this I will take together, these three I will take together. So 4x raised to 4, this I will write 4x raised to 4, then minus I will take common, then x square plus 12x plus 36, minus I have taken outside. Then 4x raised to 4 I can write 2x raised to 2x square square. 4 I can write 2 square, x raised to 4 I can write x square. So this will be 2x square whole square. This will be 2x square whole square minus x square plus 12x plus 36. Yes. So let me write this x square plus 2 into x into 6, 12x plus 36, I can write 6 square. So this is 2x square minus x plus 6 whole square. So a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So 2x square plus x plus 6 into 2x square minus x plus 6, a plus b into a minus b. So this is 2x square plus x plus 6 into 2x square minus x minus 6. Yes, now you tell me, find two numbers whose sum is 1 and product is 6 2s are 12. Product is 12. Find two numbers whose sum is minus 1, and product is minus 12. First one you cannot factorize. First one, factorization is not possible because b square minus 4ac will not be a perfect square. What about second? We can find the number minus 4 and plus 3. So first one we cannot factorize. So first one I will write as it is. 2x square plus x plus 6. Then second one I will write 2x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 6. Now we simplify. Now we will simplify. So first one is not factorizable because b square minus 4ac is not a perfect square. So a given quadratic equation is factorizable if b square minus 4ac is a perfect square. So first one we keep as it is, 2x square plus x plus 6 into 2x is common, that it is x minus 2 plus 3 into x minus 2. So this is 2x square plus x plus 6, then x minus 2 is common, then it is 2x plus 3, and this is the answer, product of three factors. So this is the factorization. The last 30, a square into b plus c, a square into b plus c minus b plus c cube, okay, what you will do, you can clearly see, b plus c is common, so I will take b plus c common, then it is a square minus b plus c whole square. Now this is of the form x square minus y square, so this is b plus c into a plus b plus c, sorry, a square plus b plus c, not a square, a plus b plus c into a minus b minus c, and this is the answer. A square minus b square. So fourth type is difference of the two square. Difference of the two square means a square minus b square formula. Difference of the two square means a square minus b square formula, and a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Now let us solve the next one. So third type is type 5. Fifth type is sum or cube of sum or difference of two cubes. Sum or difference of two cubes. Type 6. Type 6 is sum or difference of two cubes. Sum or difference of two cubes. Two cubes. That means it is of the form a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube will be a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. We have already seen that in the expansion. Then a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube will be a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. the term remains same. Only you have to remember, if it is plus, it is plus. Then second bracket it is minus. If it is minus, it is minus. It will be plus. So based on this, we have to solve exercise 5D. Okay. So let us solve exercise 5D, which is sum or difference of two cubes. First, a cube minus 27. A cube minus 27. Yes, a cube I can write a cube, 27 I can write 3 cube. So it is of the form a cube minus b cube. What is a cube minus b cube? A minus b into a square plus ab plus ab, a into 3 plus b square, that is 3 square. This formula, a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this is a minus 3 into a square plus 3a plus 9, and this is the answer. A cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So sum or difference of two cubes is type 5, sorry, type 6. Sum or difference of two cubes. Sum or difference of two cubes. Okay. Now next is 1 minus 8a cube. Yes. 1 minus 8a cube. 1 minus 8a cube. What you can write 1? 1 you can write 1 cube, 2a whole cube. Then use the formula a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b, 1 minus 2a into a square plus ab, 1 into 2a, ab plus b square, 2a whole square. So that is 1 minus 2a into 1 plus 2a plus 2a square is 4a square. 2a whole square is 4a square, and this is the answer. A cube minus b cube. Then third, 64 minus a cube b cube. 64 minus a cube b cube. 64 minus 64 you can write 4 cube. 4 cube, a cube b cube I can write ab whole cube. So a cube minus b cube, again same formula, a minus b into a square 4 square plus ab 4ab plus b square, ab whole square. So that is 4 minus ab into 4 square is 16 plus 4ab plus ab square, a square, b square, and this is the answer. Then for a raised to 6 plus 27 b cube. 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 A raised to 6, fourth one. A raised to 6 plus 27 b cube. Okay. A raised to 6 you can write a to the power 2 raised to 3. See, a raised to m raised to n is a raised to mn. Power raised to power, you have to multiply the power. So a raised to 6 I can write a raised to 2 raised to 3. 2 into 3, 6. And 27 I can write 3b whole cube. Then it is of the form x cube plus y cube. X cube plus y cube is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So use the formula, that will be a square plus 3b into a square square plus a square into 3b, sorry, minus a square into 3b ab plus 3b whole square. 3b whole square. So that is a square plus 3b. A square square will be a raised to 4 minus 3a square b plus 9b square. And this is the answer. Middle term is AB. AB. So this is my xy. X is a square. Y is 3b. Then fifth one, 3x raised to 7y. 3x raised to 7y minus 81 x raised to 4 y raised to 4. Now what is common in them? 3x raised to 4y is common. Then what is left? X cube minus 27y cube. X cube minus 27y cube. So that is 3x raised to 4y. Yes. So that will be 3x raised to 4y. 3x raised to 4y. So that is 3x raised to 4y. 3x raised to 4y. Then it is x cube minus 27. I can write 3y whole cube. Use the formula a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. So this I can write 3x raised to 4y into x minus 3y. X minus 3y. X minus 3y into x square plus x into 3y plus 3y whole square. 3y whole square. Okay. So that is 3x raised to 4y into x minus 3y into x square plus 3xy plus 3y whole square is 9y square. 9y square. And this is the answer. Okay. So it is 12:10 we stop. Remaining problem we'll see next time. Yes. Yes. 9b 19 is written. Bye. Bye. Yes. Bye everybody. So you can try by yourself the remaining problem.